Hi, this is Louie from Louie's Fishing, and thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. On this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa personally yung mga snap swivel na ginagamit ko. Merong mga varieties ng snap swivel or clips na ginagamit for fishing. And meron akong preference or preferred na tipo ng snap na usually ako na lang talaga ang gumagawa kasi magasto rin at saka matagal ang paghihintay, especially pag nag-o-order ka online. So, sit back, relax, and I hope you will gonna learn something about how to make a snap swivel. This will gonna save you a ton of money, especially pag medyo nasa budget stage ka ng angling or ng fishing. Hope you enjoy. Alright, so Coast Lock Snap, pinakauna sa list ko. Ito yung pinakamadaling gawin sa mga DIYs na snap swivel. Plus, ito rin yung pinaka-common na ginagamit ng mga anglers. Mapa ultralight o nasa medium light category ka, ito yung madalas mong makita. Okay, pangalawa sa listahan ko is itong duo lock snap. Isa rin to sa pinaka-common na ginagamit ng mga anglers, pati mga baguhan. Sa dali ba naman itong gamitin, sino ba namang hindi maengganyo?
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Okay, so pangatlo sa listahan, Duo Lock Snap version 2. Almost the same na sila nung nauna, Duo Lock version 1. But mas komplikado tong gawin. Meron siyang pro na pwede ka makapagpalit ng swivel kahit na hindi ka nagpapalit ng swivel snap. Downside niya nga lang is mabusin siya siyang gawin.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience.
Okay, so yun yung tatlong swivel snaps na pwede natin gawin. About sa materials, maglilive ako ng link sa description kung saan ko nakuha yung mga item para maka-order na kayo at makagawa na kayo ng sarili nyo. Once again, this is Louie from Louie's Fishing. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope may natutunan kayo. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell na rin para ma-notify kayo kung meron akong mga bagong videos. Peace!
Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great.